Good day, sir. Today, I will memorize the Article 13, mitigating circumstances. Paragraph number 1 of Article 13, those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all the requisites necessary to justify or to escape from criminal liability in the prospective case are not attendant. Paragraph number 2 is when the that the offender is under 18 years of age or over 70 years. In the case of the minor, he shall not be proceeded against in accordance with the provision of Article 80. Paragraph number 3, that the offender had no intention to commit so grave wrong as that committed. Paragraph number 4, that the sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately proceeded the act. Paragraph number 5, that the act was committed in the immediate vindication of a grave offense to the one committing the felony or delito, his spouse, ascendants, or relatives by affinity within the same degree. Paragraph number 6, that of having acted upon an impulse the so powerful of naturally that have proceed passion of persecution. Paragraph number 7, that the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority of his agents or that has voluntarily confessed of his guilt before the court prior to his presentation of the evidence for prosecution. Paragraph number 8, that the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, or otherwise suffering some physical defect which does restrict means of uh, defense defense action or communication his fellow his fellow beings. Paragraph number 9. Uh, such illness of the offender as world diminish the exercise of the power of the will power of the offender without however depriving him of the considering a consciousness of his acts. Paragraph number 10. And finally, any circumstances one of a similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned. That's all, sir. Thank you.